Hey everyone, what if I told you that you can create a beautiful, functional, and lovable website without writing a single line of code? Yeah, that's true. And better yet, what if that website could automatically send your form submission to powerful workflows that do the work for you, like sending emails, saving data, or posting on social media? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build a stunning no-code website using lovable N8N, Google Events, and those kind of things. Connect it to N8N, a powerful automation platform, and automate anything from email notification to Google Sheet updates. So let's get started. So you can see that currently I'm logged in my lovable account, and first I'm going to show you that what we are going to build today. So for that I need to log in my N8N account. So I will log in. So after login, I will go to my existing workflow. Here you can see I already built that website. So what we're going to build today is like this beautiful website. Let me close the prompts. So we're going to build this pizza restaurant website where the user can book the reservation from here in this form, and those data will come through this webhook, and then the table reservation data will be saved in the Google Calendar. Also we will send the user email notification that your table is booked. So you can do anything with lovable and N8N. You can send this data, automate anything, post anything in your Facebook or any other thing using N8N. Super powerful thing to automate your website. So first I'm going to show you a demo. So you can also go to the menu. I just built this website using just 3 or 4 prompts, and you can see that here the user can see the menus, and if they go to home, this is a beautiful single page website. Also if I switch to mobile version, it's also responsive, we can see. So now I will check if the data is going to the N8N. So to run our program, we will click execute workflow for testing. So now this webhook is ready to listen, and now I will go to lovable, and I will select table. I will select table 14, which is a VIP table for 8%. I will give a name of the table. So it's like Sadman YouTube and something like that, and then I will give my email address and the phone number, and then I will select a preferable date, which is like 13th of June, and then I will select the time, and I will say that 7 days, and then I will hit reserve table 14. After that we will go to, you can see that we already received the data. Here the AI agent is working using the brain, and now I will go to the email to check. See, we have an email here, and your reservation for table 14 and it's successfully confirmed. And if we go to the Google Calendar, and you can see that reservation for table 14 is done. So this is what we're gonna build today from the scratch. So I hope you will like this video. If you like my video, please always subscribe to my channel. So now I will show you step by step how you can create exactly the same demo that I showed you. For that, first hit on this icon. So currently I am in the N8N overview page, and I created a new workflow, and after that I will click this plus icon here, and then here you have to select a webhook. So type here webhook, and you need this link here, but for that, before that, you need to select it a post method, and then click copy, and your URL is copied, and then back to canvas, and now keep it here as it is. Now I will go back to the lovable. Actually I will come back here, and here I give a prompt with that I give a prompt to ChatGPT to create me a website exactly the same as we created, I showed you earlier. So I will copy this prompt from ChatGPT. So I will copy it. I will go to lovable. I paste that prompt here. Also I will change the link. So from here I will get the link, and I will give the link here. So I will read the prompt for you guys so that you can also get the prompt. So I said build me a restaurant booking landing page for the restaurant name with a top navbar including a link to menu, preload a pizza section. On the home view, display and make a reservation section with an interactive calendar and time picker for date time selection. A reservation form that posts all data plus the chosen data time and table to this N8N webhook. A restaurant layout image showing 15 tables next to the form. An interactive seat picker overlay on that image so customers can click on of the 15 tables to reserve, include metadata tags, and send the selected table ID in the same webhook payload. Enforce a hard cap of 15 total bookings per time slot. If a user tries to exit, it shows a friendly message prompting them to choose a different time or date. Okay, so here I will also edit the pictures so that it can create exactly the same thing. So I give two pictures of my previous website that I showed you in the starting, and then I will click this icon here. So now Lava will started making the website for us. Meanwhile, I will set up the N8N section. So I will click this plus icon here and I will edit AI agent. So I added a AI agent here. I need to set up this agent, but before that I will attach a chat model here. So I will select OpenAI chat model and then I will go back to the canvas and I need to add a memory, simple memory, and for the tool I will add Google Calendar tool. Here I need to set up, so you need to give your credentials here, credential to connect with Google Calendar. So if you don't have this, just click on that pencil icon and give your credentials here, sign in with Google, and you're done with that. Then after the credential operation, so in the operation section click get many instead of create, and then the form list should be by ID and select your email address where you are gonna saving the events. So I will select my email address and limit 50, keep it as it is. No, I will select let the model define this, after let the model define this, also before let the model define this. Okay, so I will go back to the canvas. I will click this plus icon again and I will edit email, send email tool, and here I need to set up so many things, but before that let's go to our level and see what happened. So okay, it created the website, but the tables are not exactly as I showed you on the YouTube on the beginning our tutorials. So I will ask it to create exactly the same. So I will give it a picture, attach. So I have a picture of that section. So I will say make the reservation section look like this image. I will click enter. So here for send email, we're gonna use Mailtrap. So I already have a Mailtrap account, but I will create another account for this tutorial so that you can also create same Mailtrap account. So go to this Mailtrap IO link and click sign up. So when you will first sign up to Mailtrap account, you have to give this information first. So I will quickly fill up with anything. You can give anything. This data are not that much important, so I will say I'm using this for testing emails, and then finish. And then you will get overview like a same page like this. You will get a same page like this, and then click start testing, and here you will get all the information that you need, and you have to bring this information to your N8N for the credentials. But let me first check. Okay, now it's almost similar. Now it's similar. We can give some other prompts to make the things looks more good, but yeah, let me first check if we are getting the data or not. Okay, I will configure the email later on. First I will check if we are receiving the data to our webhook or not. So I will click here, execute, and it's waiting for the data. And from here I will select table 3. I will give a name, number, date, and number of guests, 2 guests, and the time, like this. And reserve table, it will have reserved for, and contact shortly to confirm. Let's see if we get the table data or not. Okay, so we are getting the data in the body. Here you can see Bella Vista guest 2% here. I will click schema to see the data in a better way. So you can see the full name of the customer is Sadman Sakib, the email, phone number, the table ID is number 3, so table number 3, table location, window site. So we are getting all that data that we need. So now we need to give a prompt to our AI agent. So for that we need to configure our AI agent. So click here to define below. So here we will select the body, and I will say you are our restaurants reservation manager, and this is the customer reservation request data. Here in this data you will get the customer name, email, and you will get to know which table they request to book, and you will also know the date and time. After that you will check our Google Calendar tool, and if on the same time the table number that is selected by the customer is booked, then cancel the reservation. Otherwise approve the reservation and insert the new event on the Google Calendar, and also trigger the email and send a successful reservation email through the email tool. Okay, so this is our initial prompt. Let's see how it works, otherwise we need to change it. So this is done. Now the memory we will so for memory we don't need to do anything with the memory, I think. And for the Google Calendar, so we set up this get many one. Now we need another Google Calendar tool for actually inserting the event into the Google Calendar. So I will again search for Google Calendar. Mistake, sorry, I added a Google Sheet mistakenly. So I will click this plus icon again. So I will search for Google Calendar, and then here you need to give your credential like before, and here the operation should be create from ID your email address. So I am giving my email address. The start should be defined by the model, and the in should be defined by the model, and the added field, the summary, it should be defined by the model. So that's it. Now I need another tool for the mail. So click the tool again and mail, send email tool. So here I need to give the credential. For that I'm gonna create here. So when you first log into the Mailtrap, and then you will get overview like a same page like this. You will get a same page like this, and then click start testing, and here you will get all the information that you need, and you have to bring this information to your N8N for the credential. Get this information, and you should put this here, and make sure that you have switched this off, because on default it's switched on, so you need to switch this off, and then click save. And why we are using Mailtrap? So that the original customer don't get the email. Mailtrap is a tool where like you can test your email, so that the real customer don't get disturbed by your testing. So it's almost similar to the real mail, but it's actually catching your mail, and you can see all your mails here like this. So you need to give an email address, like from where this email is going. So I will say from this email, and to which email it will be defined by the model. Okay, subject, it should be defined by the model. HTML, the body also should be defined by the model. Okay, so that's it. So the email is also done. Now I will edit the webhook, respond to webhook, and I will back to canvas. Also here I will, so here there is a problem, so I will click here, and actually respond should be using respond to webhook node, and then it should work. So it will not immediately respond to the result, but it will wait for this respond to webhook. So now it should work. Let me try again, execute workflow, and then I will click table 3, give customer name, phone number, pick a date, time, total guest 2, reserve table. Okay, now here, okay, no session ID found, open node. Let me set up it again, memory, simple memory. Okay, before adding the simple memory, I will run again. So I will select this table 2, pick a date, and time, number of guests, reserve again, and I will go here. And now you can see everything is working. So you can see I received an email. You reserve for 2 guests at Vista has been successfully confirmed. And if I go and check my Google Calendar, I selected for maybe 10th, or yeah, 10th. You can see the reservation here also. So see, in using one or two prompt, I created this whole website. This has the menu, this is also responsible, and also have this cool automation feature for reservation, which is also sending email to the user email, as you can see here. So it's pretty simple. So in the real world, you just need to click the webhook, and you have to get this production URL, copy that production URL, and you have to tell the lovable chatbot that this is my production URL, change it. And also instead of Mailtrap, then you can use your own email systems. So you need some SMTP and those other configurations, and then you have to come here and give those credentials here. But for our tutorial, we used Mailtrap. And also you can see the Google Calendar and everything is working fine. The data is saving, we're saving ML. So using this webhook N8N AI agent, we can do anything. I mean, we can add a section here and add a chatbot. We can do whatever we want without any single line of code. So it's so much powerful and also not that much expensive. So thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.